Crop insurance. Agriculture Ministry seeks DGCA note for taking drone-based crop images in 100 districts. The Agriculture Ministry has sought civil aviation regulator DGCA's note for allowing shortlisted private agencies operating drones to capture images of rice fields in 100 districts to assess crop yields at Gram Panchayat level under the Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana PMFBY, according to a senior government official. This is the second year the ministry has hired private agencies for a pilot study of unmanned aerial vehicle UAV based remote sensing data collection in agricultural areas of 100 districts for assessing Gram Panchayat level under the PMFBY. Since harvesting in selected 100 rice growing districts is in full swing currently and will be completed shortly as per the crop season, we have requested the Directorate General of Civil Aviation to give approval for flying drones over the selected regions, the official told. A letter in this regard has been written to the DGCA seeking permission for agencies such as Amnex, Agrotex, RMSI Private Limited and Weather Risk Management Services Private Limited to operate drones for 2 months till December 31st, he said. The official mentioned that the drone-based images are one of the important inputs in the models of crop yield estimation and validation. The shortlisted agencies have already started the study in their assigned regions as per the time schedule. The drone-based images will be captured in 10 states: Andhra Pradesh, Bihar, Haryana, Jharkhand, Karnataka, Madhya Pradesh, Odisha, Tamil Nadu, Telangana and Uttar Pradesh. For Krishi Sanjeevani, Vipin.